I look at the details because my clients look at the details. This looks like one big chunky piece of walnut. That's what I'm going for. You always want to kind of look as authentic and genuine as possible. And it is a high quality veneer because it's all plywood. But what they do is they finish all ends, and these are all mitered. So you see that grain is kind of carried through. So that's really what has always stuck out to me on these shelves, is how quality it's built, because you can see all those miters and it looks like just one piece of wood.
Hi, I'm Billy Dunn. I'm the owner of Custom Floating Shelves here in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. It was about 15 years ago. We had a project that involved a bunch of floating shelves, and so naturally that was the design, and we built them. It turned out really great. One of the neighbors, another wood shop, asked me to build some shelves for a project that he had because he really liked what we did and how they turned out. You know, we just kind of have built it from there.
So believe it or not, like most things these days, I found them on the internet, Googled custom floating shelves. And being in the business, I know what I'm looking for. I know what the difference is between an actual custom shelf and something semi-custom made. So I was attracted to Billy and his shelves because of, number one, the variety that they give, but number two, what appeared to be a superior construction.
Hi, I'm Brenda. I'm the owner of Bronze Fox Beauty in St. Petersburg, Florida, where we do facials, brows, and lashes. My clients love my shelves. It's one of the first things that they notice when they come through the door is the way that the things are displayed on the walls. They always love that I've chosen the woods that I've chosen, and in fact, some clients have ordered them because they saw them in my space.
So we were doing a kitchen remodel for a lovely couple in Tampa, and she was an influencer in doing cooking from her kitchen. A big part of what she wanted to do was to have open shelves to be able to put her plates on and display things on it. I remember the day that the wall was tiled, everything was done, we put the floating shelves on. She literally had tears in her eyes because it was like she said the jewelry was added to that kitchen, and it was the last thing she needed to be able to display everything that she was really so proud of in her kitchen.